Have you ever made a decision based on what you thought you saw only to find out you were completely wrong? That one mistake changed everything, right? That's exactly what happened in Act 5, Scene 3, and it cost Cassius his life. So in Act 5, Scene 2, the great battle of Philippi finally began. Brutus saw a weak spot in Octavius's army and quickly ordered his troops to attack. At first, things seemed to go well for the conspirators, but then things changed. Now in Scene 3, the tides turn and the battle starts to go against Cassius. The scene opens on Cassius's side of the battlefield where chaos is breaking out. So Cassius's forces are being pushed back by Antony's troops while Brutus's men are fighting successfully elsewhere. So Cassius watches helplessly from a nearby hill with his friend Titinius and his loyal servant Pindarus. So he sends Titinius to find out if a nearby group of soldiers are friends or enemies. So as Titinius rides out, Cassius becomes nervous and tells Pindarus to climb up and report what he sees. So Pindarus mistakenly reports that Titinius has been captured by enemy soldiers, but in reality, the soldiers were Brutus's men welcoming Titinius with cheers. Believing his best friend has been taken, Cassius loses hope. He says that this day, which was his birthday, has brought his destiny full circle. And he orders Pindarus to kill him with the same sword he used to stab Caesar. Pindarus obeys and Cassius dies, saying, "Caesar, thou art revenged even with the sword that killed thee." So moments later, Titinius returns safe and victorious, carrying a wreath of victory for Cassius. So when he finds his friends dead, he is overcome with guilt and sorrow and takes his own life with Cassius's sword. Then Brutus enters, sees their bodies and mourns them deeply, saying they were two mighty eagles who flew together and now have fallen. But even after all this, he prepares to continue his fight. Why this scene matters is that this is the turning point of the final battle. Both Cassius and Titinius die, not in defeat, but from misunderstanding and despair. So Cassius's death is very deeply ironic. He dies because of false information and on his birthday. So the scene shows the emotional cost of war and how guilt, fear, and fate destroy even the strongest men. It also marks the beginning of Brutus's downfall, which will come in the next scene. Stay tuned to know what happened next in my next video. Like and subscribe to my channel, Beauty of Language, for more updates.